Today we are at Mote Park. This is the Maidstone Apprenticeship Fair. There's about 70 employers here and we're here promoting electrical apprenticeships. So this is massively important for us. A lot of students coming through here and they're coming here to look to see what their next step forward is.
Something I really encourage students that I speak to at schools and those who come to the fair is to think about the options. Many kids want to go to university, that's fabulous. Apprenticeships are a great opportunity to gain skills, to gain qualifications, and of course to earn while you learn, and it can really set you off in a fantastic career. One of the great things here is we have a real mix of employers. So we've got employers from utility sector, from energy, also from things like care, NHS, social care, those kind of areas, police, the military, huge range of employers, and it gives a chance, particularly for instance to women and girls who come to the fair, to talk to different kind of employers and maybe find out about careers that otherwise they might not have thought about.
The electrical industry is absolutely massive, absolutely massive. It's got such a wide range. You've got domestic, you've got commercial, industrial, solar, battery systems, hydro, fire alarm systems. It's a huge, huge industry and it's got lots of facets to it. It literally a whole lifetime and you will not know everything about the industry. It is a superb industry. The money is good, the opportunities are fantastic. The City and Guilds qualifications are a worldwide known qualification and literally you can go anywhere in the world. You might have to do a little bit of additional training, but they are world recognised qualifications. We do the Gold Star Apprenticeship. It's a 4.5-year City and Guilds apprenticeship. It's 1 day a week in the centre with us, 4 days a week with an employer. It's all government funded. The difference between us and a lot of other training providers is that we're wholly focused on the electrical apprenticeships. There's no dilution into other trades, but also we do the basic electrical apprenticeship, plus we do a lot of the renewables, so we do EV, we do solar PV, and we do the battery management systems as well. We're based at Birchall Road, Parkwood in Maidstone. We're open all week. At any point, if you want to come in and phone us and come in and see us and look around our centre, you're more than welcome to. We're very open and we're very honest.